Can you install a pool liner yourself? Well, I've installed them by myself countless times, so I imagine that you could as well. That being said, I had the benefit of experience and you perhaps don't. I have a tutorial on my website, swimmingpoolsteve.com, that I'll link to below, which shows the entire vinyl liner measurement and installation process from beginning to end. And to answer your question, yes, it is a doable project for a do-it-yourselfer, something that you can take on yourself. For example, if you had a concrete pool and you're wondering, well, can I resurface my concrete pool? Could I tile my concrete pool, or could I plaster my concrete pool? I would say absolutely no. Forget about it. Don't even think about trying that yourself. However, a vinyl liner pool is not the same thing. An intrepid do-it-yourselfer could certainly measure and install a vinyl liner in your own pool without a problem. And although there's a few technical hang-ups along the way, if you follow the tutorial that I've written, there's a great chance that you'll have a success installing your liner without wrinkles and without leaks. If you find this information helpful, please be sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can check out my website, swimmingpoolsteve.com.